Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this beautiful wine glass using plastic bottle. Yes, can you believe it? It's made out of plastic bottle and I have used lots of texture and methods to create this beautiful wine glass. The flowers are made using paper and it's looking gorgeous. So let's get started. So here I'm taking this cold drink plastic bottle and we need to cut this from the middle part. So here I'm taking my paper cutter. It should be sharp enough and be careful and do it slowly and carefully while cutting it. And I have just divided it like this. Okay, now also we need to separate the bottle cap from the bottom. So I'm cutting this part as well and this is separated. Now you can just rub it on sandpaper to smooth the edges. Okay, now I am showing you how to create the bottom parts. So here I am taking 7 mm pink color strips and we need total 35 strips to make a big tight coil. And the big tight coil is ready. Here I have created one more tight coil using 7 strips of 3 mm white color. And now I am taking my quilling mold and shaping it as a dome. Similarly, I am going to shape this pink tight coil also, but for this we need to shape it only from the center. For the sides we have to make flat only. So just like a hat shape we have to make this tight coil shape. So it's done. Now I'm just adding glue inside both the domes and spreading it using brush and allow it to dry. Then here I have prepared one pipe using 30 by 5 centimeters white color paper. I have just rolled it and created one small pipe, and now I am connecting white dome on top of this like this. It's dried. Now take back your bottle and here I am taking B6000 strong adhesive, adding it in the bottom of the bottle and sticking with the white tight coil dome. Like this. Then I am taking my pink color dome and add little glue with the other side of pipe and stick it like this. Allow it to dry completely. So it's dried and our basic wine glass is ready. Now it's time to do some mixed media technique. So here I am taking white gesso and doing one coat of white gesso on the bottle so that we can do different textures on top of this. Gesso will work as a base so that all the colors and mediums will work nice. I am spreading the color using sponge so that you will not get any brush stroke and it will look smooth. So similarly, just cover whole plastic portion using gesso. And it's done. Now I'm taking blue color chalk paint and coloring whole gesso part using this. It's completely dried. Now here I'm taking one step crackle medium by Little Birdie, taking little bit of crackle medium on the surface and using flat brush I'm applying the crackle medium on the blue chalk paint part. Make small strokes in different directions so that you will get small cracks. If you want to make large cracks, then apply the crackle medium with the large strokes. So similarly, just complete and cover all the blue part using this crackle medium. And it's done, and it should dry completely before applying second color. So it's dried, and now I'm taking white chalk paint and again making small strokes and covering this, and immediately cracks will start appearing and it works just like a magic. Can you see these small cracks? And it's looking fabulous, very shabby, very vintage. So similarly, just cover it completely. And it's done. I have also added white chalk pen till the end. Now here I am taking light blue color chalk paint and just coloring the bottom part of the bottle using this, and also doing little shading on the center stick. Like this. Now on the edge of the glass I'm just adding little glue, and I will sprinkle glitter powder. It will give very nice glittery edge to your glass. This is also known as sparkle dust. And it's done. I have also added the sparkle dust in this part. Now here I am taking one beautiful border design and sticking it on top of the glass. To stick this I am using fabric glue. You can also use crochet lace. This lace is made using textured paste, using mold. You can use punch border design or crochet lace, anything which you have. And then I have these beautiful die cutouts in scroll pattern, and I am adding these cutouts on the glass. Similarly, add another design on this side. So it's done and it's looking beautiful. Now I'm starting with making the flower. So here I'm taking 8 petal flower cutout. This is a flower cutout which I made using die, but you can also make it using scissor. And in the center I'm adding aquamarine archival ink. Spray little water, soak it using tissue paper, and then take the embossing pad and small size groove golf tool, and from back side make grooves. Just rotate the flower and pinch in the center using ball tool. In the same way I have prepared one more big flower and one small flower. So I'm just layering all the petals to construct the whole flower. Add little glue in the center and just add layers. For the center of the flower I am using blue color flower pearls by Dressmycraft. Just sprinkle it in the center. All the supply links are given in the description box if you want to purchase anything. And to fill the glue portion, I am just adding little glitter powder on top of this. This is a rainbow glitter powder by Dressmycraft. It will give very nice glittery look on top of the flower pearls. And the beautiful and super cute flower is ready very quick. In the same way we need 2 large flowers, 2 small flowers, some filler flowers. For filler flower I have just passed a white color wire pollen through this. And also I have already prepared some leaves using Heartfelt Creation leafy accent dies. Now it's time to decorate our wine glass using flowers. So first I am adding leaves and then I will add the flowers. and it's done. I have also added some half cut pearls and some heart sequences here and there just to add little more interest to our project, and it's looking absolutely gorgeous. No one can believe that it made using plastic bottle. And can you see these cracks? I'm just loving this shabby look very much. And you can just decorate your room using these kind of glasses, or you can also use this as a pen stand. So I'm just showing you how you can put the pen inside this. Just take sketch pens or pencil colors and you can use this as a pen stand as well. It will look very nice. Otherwise you can add some fresh flowers inside this and work as a flower pot. So there are multiple uses in this, and that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.